children, this is your favorite time. Any guess? Yes, this is your art and craft time. Hope you will all enjoy this time. No, today we are going to make a rainbow hanging. Okay, first take a A4 sheet like this, or you can take color paper also. Okay, I have taken a A4 white sheet. Now take a pencil. We are going to draw a cloud. See, cloud is shapeless, so you can draw in whatever shape you want. Like this, you can draw a big cloud. I'm going to draw. Okay, after drawing the cloud, the same sheet we are going to draw 7 lines. It may be straight line or it may be in zigzag manner also. It's your fish. Okay children, but I am going to draw using a scale. Look here children, I have drawn 7 lines using the scale. If you want to draw like this, you have to draw 7 curves like this. Okay, here I have drawn 7 lines. Tell me why I have drawn 7 lines? Because rainbow has 7 colors in it. Tell me how many colors? 7 colors. Today we are going to do rainbow hanging, no? That's why I have drawn 7 boxes here. The first color is violet. The second color is indigo. The third color is blue. Fourth one is green. Then yellow, orange and red. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. They are shortly known as Vibgea. Children, now we are going to take crayons and color each color in it. Okay, if it is violet, you are going to color violet in this line. It should not come out of this line. You have to be very careful when you are coloring. So second you will color indigo, then you have to color blue, then green, yellow, orange and red. After coloring, you have to give this paper to mommy or daddy. Ask them to cut the paper. You have to cut in cloud shape. We have drawn the cloud, no? So you have to cut in those shape. Then come to the colored line. Each line should be cut separately. First color, then only mama has to cut down the paper. Look at your children. I have colored the lines. Like this only you have to color. Now give this paper to mommy. You should not play with the scissors, no? So you should not touch the scissor. Take your mama's help to cut down. Okay? See children, I have cut the cloud like this and leave some gap there and cut the papers like this. Okay? This one we will be sticking this to cloud. So we need some gap there. So ask mommy to cut the papers like this. Okay? Now see what we are going to do next. We are going to stick this now. Apply some glue here. Apply it nicely. Now take the cloud and stick it like this. Now see. Very good. Stick it very slowly because it will be wet, because we are using the Fevicol, so handle it very carefully. Your hanging is ready now. Now we are going to decorate the cloud. Okay children, I am going to draw a smiley face here. First I am going to draw the eyes, then the smiley mouth. If you have googly eyes at your home, you can stick the googly eyes and draw a smiley face. I don't have a googly eyes, so I am drawing the eyes with the pencil. Draw the first eye and now draw the second eye. Now come down, draw a smiley mouth. Draw it very gently, children, and give a curve like this. Yay! The rainbow is smiling at us. Look at the rainbow. Very nice. Now we are going to draw with the sketch pen. Now I am going to draw with the sketch pen. Eyes. Then the mouth. Rainbow is very cute like you children. Okay. Wow. That's really nice. How is it, children? Is it nice? Yes. Now look at what I'm going to do next. I'm going to take a small thread like this. Join both the ends. Okay. Take a cello tape. Turn the paper like this. Keep the thread and stick this thread with the cello tape. Now your rainbow hanging is ready. You can hang it in your house. Bye bye children. Enjoy your day.